Hey guys, it is time to decorate my studio. I'm so excited. Yeah, so I'm going to decorate my studio Christmas themed now. So first I'm just going to quickly do a quick clean up, just so I've got my candles and a few bits and pieces around, and then we can get into decorating. I cannot wait. Okay, so I need to start by like moving everything, because I'm gonna I'll move this. I think I'll move my Simpsons stuff as well. So yeah, I need to kind of put it all in a box. So yeah, I'll do that. I don't really know where to put these for now. So I think I'll start decorating this side first, so then this box, I have room to put stuff in it, if you know what I mean. So yeah. Oh, I don't even know where to start. I think over this side, I'm really scared because this stuff hasn't been touched since last year. I'm worried there's like gonna be a spider in there or something. But anyway, I might just get it all out and then we can. I think I'll put this one here. It's just so cute. Christmas stuff is so cute. I would have mine up all year if I could. I got this thing from Lush last year. It's their little gingerbread house. I don't think they brought it out this year, but it's so cute. Oh, it still smells amazing. But yeah, this was like one of their Christmas boxes last year. Okay, now that this box is empty, I'll just start putting all my Simpsons stuff in there. Like everything I have set up. Alright, now I will decorate my little tree. Most of this stuff I got from the reject shop last year, and it was all pretty cheap. That one still has the thing on it. It was $8, so yeah, I feel like you can find some really cute, cheap Christmas stuff pretty much anywhere. Last year I did a Christmas haul, obviously, because I had to buy it all, whereas this year I didn't because I already had it, so yeah. It's not really vibing with my Christmas theme, so I'm going to move that. I don't know if this one seems too small to be in the corner. Maybe I need to swap it. One thing that I don't have is something to go on top of my tree. Maybe I need to go get like a star or something so it doesn't look so lonely up there. I'm gonna have to get rid of my pineapple holder just because it really does not suit the theme, so I'll put that away. Look how pretty this thing is. Isn't that so cute? Look at that. Okay, and then I guess it's time to do down here. I don't know if you guys can. That'll do. Oh, you know what I forgot to put up? My boxes. My Body Shop ones. Where can I put that? I can put it here, I guess. I feel like it cuts out so much. I've got my big green one. But yeah, I just don't know if it'll be like too much. Maybe I can use them like inside the house. Alright, and then the last thing to do is put up my tinsel. So, I can't remember how I did this last year, like what colours. I might just put up the gold, to be honest, and then this little, what's it called, like a garland or something. So I will put this around like my mirror. I should have got some Christmas lights, but I was not that prepared. And I don't know if I honestly would have the energy to put them up. Okay, I'll put the tinsel around first, I think. Doesn't look that great, does it? I feel like it needs to be wrapped around them, which is going to take a lot longer. That's better. And then I'll just put this thing up and then we're done. This one's going to be a pain as well, I reckon. Okay, it's all done. I feel like it looks so cute. I feel like I should give you guys a better view. Hang on. Alright, so got that side, and then my mirror. I've got this side, and then down here we have all my cute things. I mean, I know pumpkins aren't Christmas, but I don't have anything else. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm so excited for Vlogmas and just Christmas in general in December. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!